Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host and anthropologist, Nigel Beauregard, and I present to you a documentary I produced about the origins of design thinking, a powerful methodology used for creative problem solving. In my quest to discover the origins of design thinking, I traveled back in time 5,000 years to the exact moment when the first bulldozer is purported to have been invented using this process. Meet Ugg and Smash. Here we see Ugg and Smash engaged in some backbreaking labor involving heavy stones. We can refer to Ugg and Smash as the users who have some job to be done, though at the moment it is unclear what precisely that job is. Coming to their rescue is our design thinker, O. We can see O engaging in the first stage of design thinking, empathize. This stage involves conducting first-person research to deeply understand another's pain. Here, O begins to uncover what Ugg and Smash are trying to do, and where their pain lies. Through observation, interviews, and first-hand experience, O is able to deeply connect with the experience that Ugg and Smash are going through, and empathize with the job they are trying to get done, and the pain involved in doing so. O then moves on to the next stage, defining the problem. Design thinkers use the data gathered from the empathize stage to create what is known as a journey map. A journey map is a visual narrative explanation of the various steps a user goes through to get something done. It is a useful tool to help designers isolate pain points, surface underlying challenges, and reframe the problem. We can see from this that their end goal is to get large, heavy stones from point A to point B, but have not found successful strategies for going about it. Ugg has been lifting stones to build physical strength, ultimately so that it would be easier for him to carry the stone. Smash, on the other hand, has been breaking the stones into smaller pieces so that they'd be easier to carry. Having better defined the problem, O invites Ugg and Smash to brainstorm new ways of getting the job done. This is the brainstorming stage of design thinking. Ideas start rushing forth. The team furiously records ideas for how they might address the central issue of getting heavy stones from point A to point B. There are many ways to brainstorm, but there are generally 7 rules to guide the process. Defer judgment, encourage wild ideas, build on the ideas of others, stay focused on the topic, have one conversation at a time, be visual, and go for quantity. Eureka! It appears O is onto something. Onwards to the prototyping stage. A prototype is a fast, inexpensive, and easy to produce model of a product or service that allows designers to test their concept without investing significant resources. Which brings us to the next stage in design thinking, testing. At last, the final stage in design thinking. This is when the prototype is put to task to see if it adequately addresses the user's pains and goals as identified in the defined stage. By Jove, our designers have done it! The world's first bulldozer! Unfortunately, there is no archaeological evidence to substantiate this discovery, but I assure you I was there. I saw it with my own eyes. The events in this documentary were actual and happened in real time. Now, we bid adieu to our noble design team as they celebrate their miraculous invention. Thus concludes our programming on the origins of design thinking. I am your host and anthropologist, Nigel Beauregard. Goodbye.